Key Security Systems presents a PowerMaster tutorial video, an overview and demo of the PowerMaster 30 panel. Looking at the panel, you can see a screen, operation buttons and a keypad located behind the flap. The screen displays the status of the system together with other information. Below the screen are the system status LEDs. From left to right you should have a green LED signifying the power is on. Next signifies the system is armed with a red LED, but only when the system is armed. Next is the chime indication LED. This shows a green bell when active. The last LED is an orange triangular warning symbol. This will be illuminated if any problems are active on your system. Below the LEDs you have the two main buttons for navigating the menus, the two arrow button, referred to as the next button, and the OK button. To view the main keypad, simply pull down the flap as shown. This displays the main keypad and operation buttons, some of which have multiple functions. The top two buttons are a panic button. Simply press and hold the two buttons for 2 seconds to activate the panic alarm. Down the right-hand side of the keypad you have the manual arming buttons. They are the same symbols as displayed on your key fob. To arm the system, simply press the lock padlock symbol and the system will start to arm. This button is also used to exit the menus. Upon entering the property you will be prompted to disarm the system. You need to press the unlock padlock button followed by your code number. This button is also referred to as the off button. To arm the system using the nighttime mode, press the man in the house button. This arms the system quietly as to not disturb anybody already sleeping. The nighttime mode will change certain device features to give verbal warnings and bypass any upstairs sensors. The bottom right button, the backwards arrow button, is used whilst navigating the menus. Buttons 1, 4 and 7 are for volume control of the panel voice. Press number 1 to increase the volume. Press number 4 to decrease the volume. Press the number 7 to mute or unmute the voice. We do not recommend switching the voice off. On the bottom left you have the star button. This accesses the system event log. Press the button and the system will prompt you to enter your master code.
Please enter code.
You will see the latest event on the display. Press the OK button to step one event back at a time. To exit the log, press the close padlock button and then the OK button. The number 8 button is used to toggle the chime facility on or off. The display will show the status of this feature. The buttons we have shown in this guide are the most used buttons. For more detailed information, please refer to the user guide left within your installation pack, or see our other videos for more in-depth detail about settings and other features. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecuritysystemsltd.com.